Shidler, we're excited to get you this quote for you and your family. I want you to know that this is private. It's just between you and us. We're excited to earn your business. You currently have $65,000 of liability coverage. That is the sum of litigation and medical bills. We believe you should be at $300,000 so your family is properly protected. Property damage, that's the other vehicle you hit. Currently, if you hit any car above $15,000, you're in a rough spot. We up that to $100,000. Uninsured motorist is another liability type coverage. It is the sum of litigation and medical bills. We believe you should be at minimum $300,000. Deductibles are what you will pay out if you have to use your insurance when it's your fault. Roadside assistance is if you lock your keys out of your car, if you get a flat tire, we believe you should have this. Rental car coverage, if you need to use your insurance, you won't have to pay for the rental car for 30 days with this type of coverage. You currently are paying $1,200 a year. What we're proposing is $600. You currently pay $100 a month. What we're proposing is $50 a month. I did qualify you for a discount that if you drive well, it will reduce your payment to $45 a month. To move forward, it takes about 30 seconds. We actually write a letter to your previous carrier that has it return any premium or any of your insurance money that you paid in advance. It returns it back to you, and then all your documents go to your phone. We're excited to earn your business.